BM English speaking radio channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 134 of season 3. Today's word is formidable. The meaning of formidable is very impressive in size, power or skill, causing fear or difficult to defeat. With BM English speaking radio channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word formidable. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Formidable is spelled as F-O-R-M-I-D-A-B-L-E. The word formidable means very impressive, causing fear or difficult to defeat. For example, the mountain trekkers find the Himalayan Range extremely formidable. Listen carefully how we can use the word formidable in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Have you heard about King Shivaji, who ruled over the state of Maharashtra in India? He envisioned the threat of enemy attack through the sea and got formidable sea forts constructed to protect his empire. Wow, isn't this an excellent example? Example number 2 of 8. The latest air conditioner had special feature to cool the room quickly and its pricing was economical. The opponents found this to be a very formidable combination. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. The singer learnt Indian classical music from an eminent artist for many years. With the approval of his teacher, he started giving public performances and earned a formidable reputation as a classical singer. Moving on to example number 4 of 8. In a democracy, the government elected by people comes to power. However, to manage the balance of power, a formidable opposition is equally important. Don't you agree? At BM English Speaking, we conduct English fluency courses at our training centers in Mumbai. And yes, we also conduct online courses in English fluency for you. To know more about these courses, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The Ayurveda-based toothpaste and soap launched by PK Company put a formidable challenge to the MNC companies in India. The MNCs realized the demand of consumers and introduced similar products through their dealers. Example number 6 of 8. Andre and Martina were both high-ranked players in lawn tennis. When they paired up for a mixed tournament, they became a formidable team. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. The interview panel was really impressed by the candidate. She was highly qualified and had a formidable list of degrees. Let us understand example number 8 of 8. The boxing match witnessed the clash between two heavyweights. The challenger was younger, but the ruling champion was a formidable opponent. The match lasted for an hour and its live telecast was watched by millions of viewers. Wow, isn't this an impressive example? Today we learnt the word formidable, which means very impressive in size, power or skill, causing fear or difficult to defeat. Can you frame 3 sentences with formidable and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to upgrade your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 134 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.